Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by locking the essentials, who reads this and what they need. Once done, pick a format and word count so your AI has constraints. This prevents vague output. Next, craft a 3-part prompt, a 1-sentence brief, a requested outline with headings, and a tone/style example. Make sure to include primary keywords and any forbidden content. This immediate setup speeds generation and keeps the first draft focused on the right audience and purpose. Now move into execution. Ask the AI to generate a structured outline and then expand each section into concise paragraphs. Use iterative prompts to refine. Tell the model to add examples, remove jargon, or shift tone. Each pass should address one change. Make sure to request SEO elements like meta title, meta description, and header tags so the draft is publish-ready. Once you have content blocks, check flow and transitions, and instruct the AI to rewrite any sections that feel repetitive. Finish by editing for clarity, voice, and factual accuracy. You must verify dates, names, and claims manually. Once polished, add images with captions and alt text, craft social snippets, and schedule publication with tracked links. After publishing, monitor engagement metrics and a /B test headlines or CTAs to improve performance. If the AI output is off-topic or repetitive, retry with a focused prompt that lists what to remove and replace.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.